This is Sylvia Carr with a tutorial on how to use Google Sites. Google Sites is a very intuitive program, very easy to use, even so much so that littles can use it as well. The first thing you can do is you can go to your drive, go to New, go to More, and then go and create Google Sites. You can also go to sites.google.com, or you can go to your apps if you have it there already. Once it comes up, you'll see that you need to create a site name. The site name is a unique name to keep track of your site. The site document name is only visible to you. Then you're going to create, I'll call it Cars Site. And then we'll name our page. The site name appears in the header and in the web or mobile window title bar after you've published the site. You need to have 2 or more pages in your website for your site name to appear. Let's call it Mrs. Cars Pass page. All right, so this is our title page. And each page in your site has a title which appears at the top of the page. The page title also appears in the navigation menu, which will be at the top here as we create the pages. You can set the theme of your pages by going to Themes. You can choose Simple like it is now, Aristotle, Diplomat, Vision, Level, and Impression. So you have a few different choices to choose there. All right, I'll stick with that one. Here you can change the image that's behind your title. You can upload an image or select an image, which gives you lots of options from the gallery. By the URL, you can search for a specific picture that you'd like in your window. You can go to your albums or your own Google Drive. I will go to my Google Drive, and I know that I have something with pirates, and let's go here, Pirate Kids. All right, then I'll select, and then it will show up in the back of my window. Okay, all right, so then you can change the header type if you want it to be the banner, or you want a large banner, or you want it just to be the title only, then that takes the picture away. So I'm going to stick with the banner. All right. Then to insert pages, you're going to go over here to the right-hand side, find the word Pages, click on Pages. You can see that we already have created the home page. And then you're going to add a page by clicking on this icon where it says Add Page. I will add a page that says Math, so I can add anything that I want my students to go back to, such as they could go to Gigi, they could go to any other apps that I want them to practice their skills. I can add one for ELA. I might add one for class field trips. And as you can see, as I'm creating these pages, they are coming up in the navigation window up here. Okay, so there's our last one that we created. If you don't want it in the top, you can make it a menu over here. As you can see, now that we've created pages, we have a gear icon, and we'll open that up, and you can change it to the side navigation. As you can see, once I created side navigation, we came with the 3 lines to the left here. It's the sidebar. So you can click that, and you'll see the menu of the different pages that you have now created in your website. In your website, you are able to personalize it by adding text, images, embedding URLs, uploading documents from your device. You can also add anything from your drive. Then you can also add Google embeds like YouTube, calendar, and maps. It is great for adding any of your docs, slides, sheets, forms, or charts. And if you want to add editors If you're doing a second grade website, you can add your other team members to that as well. If you want to preview how your site's going to look to your parents, you click on the preview icon, and we can see here that this is what it's going to look like in a computer. If you want to see what it looks like on a tablet or how it will look there, let's see if we go, let's see what the home page looks like. Okay, so that would be my home page. And so that's how you preview. I'm going to exit the preview. To publish it, you can click on the publish, and then you will decide whether you want it to be public for everyone, or just only those people in your domain would be able to view it, or you can just send the link to your page to those people that you want to be able to view it. So those are the basics of Google Sites. I hope that this helps you to create your own exciting and interesting web page for your class, or just for any activity that you want to get out there on the web. So have fun working with sites.